horizontal carbonization furnace with liquid gas preheating system. Each batch uses 15 to 20 kg. After the preheating, the main heating fuel is all from the carbonization itself. We also have diesel burners option for preheating if your local diesel is cheaper and easier for you. The bigger carbonization furnace, horizontal loading, also able to use liquid gas for preheating. This is the gasifier to promote the liquid gas continuously supply the heating fuel with the valve, pressure valve. This is the air blower for giving the oxygen. This is the gas distributor. It's all with the valves. Each burner with two valves. One is for the air oxygen, the other one is for gas, liquid gas. We need to ignite the burner one by one. After the first burner is ignited, and then ignite the next one, and then the third one. This gas burner is able to use liquid gas and also able to use for the natural gas, all ignited by this controller, electrical ignited. So it's very convenient and very safe. When you don't want use the liquid preheating, you can open the door and you can still use the firewood for preheating. It's 2 units. So you can use several units working in one line to raise the production capacity. The basket is customized. It can suitable for larger size, and we also have the smaller size. Basket. Contact him if you need carbonization furnace, biomass recycling machines, conveyors, and others. Solution quotation will be provided accordingly very soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.